Whether you've come to the realization or not, marketing on Facebook is not a set it and forget it item. Welcome to another edition of Marketing Tip Monday. Successfully marketing your business on the world's largest social media platform requires strategy, time, and most definitely patience. It's important that you perform periodic audits to ensure that your page is up to date and generating the highest ROI possible. As we enter the early days of spring, there's no better time to do a little cleanup. Here are 7 quick checks you can do to make sure your page is in tip-top shape. First, do a quick search on Google. Your page should be easy to find, and if you can't find it, your potential clients probably can't either. Second, verify your information. Make sure that your page is complete and accurate. The more information you have filled out, the more trustworthy your business appears. Facebook actually has tools and prompts to guide you through this and will rate the completion of your page. Third, customize your URL. Many people miss this step. You can create a unique URL for your Facebook page, but you can typically only change it once. So be smart. This is a shortcut for marketing communications and also makes it easier for people to find your page. Fourth, verify your business page. This is usually done via email link or phone call and through your settings. This gives you the little blue check mark and legitimizes your page. Fifth, make sure you're getting reviews and monitoring what people are saying. Reviews are paramount for building a business. If you don't have any yet, encourage your clients to leave some. The more positive reviews you receive, the less your rating will be affected if a negative review sneaks in there. Sixth, photos. The first 2 things people see when they come to your page are your profile photo and your cover photo. Make sure each of these are a clear representation of your brand. Your profile photo should be a photo of yourself or a representation of your business, like a logo. Avoid using too many words and predominantly white backgrounds. Your cover photo can be a video or a static image, but it is important to make sure either is sized correctly for the space. Check how both of these images appear on not only a desktop, but a mobile device. Facebook is a responsive platform, so it adjusts to fit our smartphones, but may cut off important information on your graphic or your video to do so. Lastly, add quality content. The last thing you want to do is drive traffic toward an empty page. Make sure you have current, frequent, quality content on your page prior to promoting it, and then consistently post thereafter. Running a successful business page on Facebook isn't easy, but it's worth it. And like anything, it helps to build a strong foundation first. If you have questions about completing an audit or related items, leave them in the comments below. We're here to help. Again, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next week on another edition of Marketing Tip Monday.